Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This moment I want to make introduction about resistor. Resistor. This is resistor. We will talk about resistor, understanding what type, and then mark and exercise. Understanding. What is resistor? Resistor is a passive electronic component that has the property of inhibiting electric voltage or current. The unit of value of a resistor is ohm, usually symbolized ohm. The material used to make resistor are some like nickel, carbon film, metal film. And then type of resistor. Based on its value, resistor share it into three, namely resistor, fixed resistor, resistor non-fixed or variable resistor. So the value can change. It have a different value. You just can tune. And then non-linear resistor. It's like a sensor. And then this fixed resistor. It is a resistor whose resistance value cannot change, so it always remains constant. Function as voltage divider, regulating or limiting the current in a circuit. So and then this is the fixed resistor. This is the symbol like this, and then this is some example. And then variable resistor. It is a resistor whose resistance value can be changing by sliding or turning the toggle on the resistor. Usually used to adjust volume, bass, treble, voltage divider, and current. This is the example. This potentiometer, trim pot. This is the symbol. There is a arrow. Like this. This is like the sliding. You maybe you have already know. And then nonlinear resistor. It is a resistor whose resistance value is not linear due to the influence of environmental factors such as temperature and light. Example are thermistor, NTC, PTC, and LDR. These two components are usually used for sensor. This is thermistor, like PTC, positive temperature coefficient is a resistor where the higher the temperature that influence it, the greater the resistance value. This is the symbol. Temperature. And then now this is the nonlinear. The PTC, positive temperature coefficient. And then the thermistor, negative temperature coefficient. This is a resistor where the higher the temperature that influence it, the smaller the resistance value. This is the symbol. And then the nonlinear resistor. This is thermistor. Negative temperature coefficient. Nonlinear resistor is the example is light dependent resistor. It is a resistor whose resistance value is influenced by light. If it is dark, not exposed to light, the resistance value will be greater. Whereas if it is exposed to light, the resistance value will be smaller. And then nonlinear resistor. This is LDR or light dependent resistor. Usually you see it in the lamp. So when it's dark, it become turn on, automatically. The value resistance is basically listed on the body of the resistor. Some use a code, some have the resistance value listed directly. One fixed resistor determined from the color bands, and there are some that are directly printed on the resistor. And the variable resistor, the maximum value is stated on the resistor body. And the nonlinear resistor, some are printed on the resistor body, some are not, in the form of a code that determines the resistance range value. Now you can see it. We can identify the fixed resistor value with color codes. This is the color. Sorry, it's in Indonesia. Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, and then perak, or silver, and then without color. This is the first ring, second ring, third ring. You can see the value black 0, and then this is the chocolate 1, red 2, and so on. And the ring 2 also, ring 3 the same. But in the ring 4, this is the multiplier. Like black, you multiple with 1, and then it's a brown, you multiple with 10, with red you multiple with 100, with orange you multiple by 1000, and etc. But for the gold and the silver different. You multiply by 0.1 for gold, and the silver you multiple with 0.01. And the 5 ring, ring number 5, it's a tolerance. Like in the brown it's 1%, in the red it's 2%, and the gold 5%, and the silver 10%, and without color is 20%. And then you can see from here, all the first digit is the same. The second, the third. But this is the multiplier. In the 4, 4 digit. Some have only 4, but there are 4, 5, and then 6. The 6 have temperature coefficient. The tolerance here. Tolerance here, if the ring is 4, so only 2 we count, the ring, and the other is multiplier. And this is the tolerance. The other is in the 5 band. 3 we use for the value, and then the other after that multiplier, and then after that the tolerance. But for the 6 band ring color code, 4 you use 3 you use for the digit. After that you use multiplier. After that you use tolerance, and after that temperature coefficient. So you can read again. And then this determining the order or second of the color rings. First, second bracelet, and third shows number. And then first, second bracelet, and third show number. Like this, orange, and white. And the fourth bracelet show multiplication. And the fifth bracelet show tolerance. And If the fifth ring is colorless when the resistor tolerance value is 20%, yeah, like this sequence of the temperature coefficient, yeah. So after this unit conversion, 1 ohm is like 1 omega, 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo omega, 1 mega ohm, 1 mega omega, and 1 kilo ohm, 1000 ohm, yeah, 1 mega ohm, 1000 kilo ohm, yeah. 1 mega, 1000 kilo ohm, 1 mega, 1 million ohm, yeah. Maybe there is more, but you can find yourself, yeah. And then this is example, yeah. The first one is orange, yeah. We can see here, yeah, orange, yeah. And then the bracelet one is 3, yeah. Look, this is 3. And then the second one, this is still orange, yeah. This is 3 also, 3, yeah. And the third one is white. White is, you see, it's 9, yeah. So 3, 3, 9, and the multiplier is, what is multiplier is black. So we can see the black is 1, yeah. So multiply 1, and then this is the brown, yeah, the tolerance. The tolerance is 1%, yeah. It means that it can above and less 1% from this value, yeah. Okay, yeah, that is all for now. You can make exercise here, yeah. Okay. But you can see you cannot see clearly, yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you for everyone. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.